Jowls can make your face look older than it really is. This 4-minute massage targets the exact area where jowls start to form, and the results might surprise you. Before you spend money on jawline treatments, try this first. Let's see if we can make your jawline look more sculpted starting right now. Starting with the most important movement that will target your jowls and get a defined jawline is stretching your platysma muscle. Stretching the platysma, the thin superficial muscle running from your chest up to your jaw, relieves neck tension and supports the jawline. Make sure you stay until the end and follow along to get desired results. For optimum results, place your tongue flat on the roof of your mouth like this and stretch. Practice this technique on both sides equally. Stretching the platysma relaxes the downward pull on the lower face, helping to lift the jowls and reduce the appearance of double chin. Loosens a tight throat, mitigates tech neck, and can help ease jaw clenching or teeth grinding. Softens the appearance of horizontal neck bands, helps in getting an elongated neck, and boosts blood flow to the skin, enhances the tissue elasticity. Most people think jowls are just a part of aging, but what if I told you that tension, poor circulation, and weak facial muscles could be making them look worse? Now with your knuckle, massage your masseter muscle like this. Relaxing the masseter muscle relieves jaw tension, alleviates TMJ pain, prevents dental damage from teeth grinding, and reduces tension headaches. It slims and contours the lower face by shrinking the overactive muscle, creating a softer, more tapered jawline. Now pinch this part of the jawline 10 times. Then your ear like this. And moving on to our upper jawline to hairline, move like this. Do it on the other side as well. These three movements relieves jaw clenching, neck stiffness and headaches, reduces facial puffiness, improves blood circulation 10 times on each point. Save this video for later and try this simple massage with me every time so you don't make any mistake while doing it, and target the right facial muscles to get rid of jowls and get sharper jawline without filters, fillers or expensive treatments. Lastly, kiss diagonally like this, then face up and kiss the ceiling. Don't forget to do it on the other side diagonally. So do it every day or at least 4 times a week. Most people can feel the difference immediately. Now that you have worked on your jawline, don't stop here. Subscribe and press that bell icon for such amazing face massage tutorials. Also check out videos in the description below. I appreciate your support. Bye.